And it's so sad to sit here, I mean to die. You and me again. Stop that. I don't like that. Look at Rhea, she's very nice. And then the boys over there, they're playing games. Games that I don't know because I don't play those kind of games. And look at Jam. Jam is getting her bag and she's going somewhere. I don't know what to say. It's so boring. Okay, let's tell Ken that he lives in hell, and then hell is an address, and that's why only Ken is allowed to go to hell because he's the most evil person in the world. I tell you, you should know that by now because you know it's so obvious, right? And it's so boring. Tell me what to do. Baby salt. I'll just baby salt. Look at the boys. They're playing with their boyfriend. Look at Tinapay. He's very, I don't know. He's very
With your boyfriend. He's the opposite of me.
Yeah.